Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: Node, JS, Git, and a modern editor. Once done, make a project folder and run npm init to scaffold package. JSON, then get init to track changes. Make n file now and paste your weather API key. This keeps secrets out of source control. You also add Axios or fetch polyfill. Install dotenv to load environment variables. This immediately lets you request live weather data without committing keys, so you can iterate safely. You now build the core: an input form for city or coordinates, a fetcher module, a renderer, and an error handler. Start by coding an async function that calls the API with your key and query. Await the response and check HTTP status. Once you have JSON, extract temperature, humidity, wind speed, and icon codes. This normalization keeps UI logic simple. Then pass normalized data to a rendering component that updates the DOM or state. Make sure to debounce input. You finish by polishing UX. Show a loading state, cache recent responses in local storage, and implement retry with exponential backoff for transient errors. Make unit toggles for Celsius versus Fahrenheit and format numbers cleanly. This improves clarity. Finally, deploy a build. Configure environment variables on your host. If things go wrong, check the API key and inspect network responses. Make sure CORS isn't blocking requests. Verify status codes and log full responses to pinpoint mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.